Hi everybody, my name is Jess Graham and I am a 5th grade teacher at Meadowlark Elementary School in Liberal, Kansas. My building is about somewhere between like 95 and 98% free and reduced lunch, and I think we're somewhere around 70% English as a second language, so our kiddos come from backgrounds where they don't have a lot of advantages. As far as my experience with technology, my classroom has been one-to-one for, I don't know, probably close to 10 years, thanks to some grants and pilot programs that I've been a part of. As far as using technology in the class, we use it a lot. Of course, we do, word processing from time to time, and sometimes they make slideshows and do presentations, but we also have done different things where they get to make videos and movies, and we've been working on some coding. And last year I started with coding, and this year we're going to start doing coding some robots like Dot and Dash and things like that. So we use it quite a bit throughout the day. As far as why I started taking this degree program was I wanted to find some ways to use technology that was more than just word processing and slideshows. I wanted to make it a little bit more meaningful and actual real world skills for my kids. Biggest challenges, my building is one of the Mercury 7 redesign buildings in Kansas, and we are launching our plan, and it's a little bit stressful. There's a lot of change and a lot of things going on at once. It will be good in the end, but it's a little stressful right now because we've gone from everyone knows how school works, and now it doesn't really work that way. So it's a little bit to get used to that, but it will be good. Future plans. I have no desire to ever be an administrator. That job sounds terrible to me. I would maybe eventually like to be an instructional coach or a technology coach for a building, but right now I like being in the classroom, and I like being able to kind of see this redesign thing through and see how that works for our kiddos and see what we can do to make changes. That's it. Thanks.